Looking beautiful tonight, Madam Lupa.
May pick your question from the bottom. Your question is, on May 12, 2025, our general elections will be held and we will be choosing our leaders. In your opinion, what is the most essential quality that we should look for in leaders? Why?
We should look for someone who has integrity, someone who put people's welfare first before their own political wants and own needs. We should have a leader that is not politics as usual, but someone who will always put other people's wants and needs. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Lupa. Exactly what we need for May 12.